this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can change your template name or your website name, how you can also change your domain, and how you can change your favicon. And I believe that's how you say it, the favy. And that's a little icon, if you can see, that kind of goes up here and it gives your site a little brand when the tabs are open on the internet. So let's go ahead and get started. So in order to change your website's name, you actually see right here, I've named this in particular template. I made a copy and I named it Paola Cherokee. And this is the actual template that I use to share the share key from, so that nothing gets, interrupted. But if you wanted to change the website name right here where it says site name, you would just go ahead and input whatever you need to input. So whatever your business name is, this is where I would put it in. And once that's done, if you need to set your domain, right here it says domain not set, you would click on this. And if it says that you don't have a domain assigned, that's okay. If you already have your domain set up, it would be right here. You can click on it and that's how you would assign it. If you don't have a domain set, you would have to come down here and then click manage domains, and you can see what's enabled and what's not. If you don't have a domain, you can go ahead, click this, and it will offer you the opportunity to add a domain. If you need to change a domain, you can just click on one of these and then you would put submit setup request again, and it will have a form that you're able to fill out. And what happens with this form is if you make sure you put everything in correctly, it sends it to the Show It team, and I can show you down here. It sends it to the Show It team. I know JT is a part of the team. You have Parker, and then there's a bunch of other people. And they're the ones who take care of setting up the domain for you. That's something you don't even have to worry about. So as long as you fill out the form by going down here, going to manage domains, either clicking on a domain that you want to change or setting up a brand new domain, as long as you fill out that form, you'll be good to go. And it should be taken care of within 24 to 48 hours, business hours. So they don't work Saturdays or Sundays. If you need to set up your favicon so that you can further brand, you would go up here to the top left, click on site settings, and it says right here favicon. Right now the favicon is set to my brand so that it can show that this template belongs to me. But when you click on it, let me show you that again. You just click right here. It'll open this up, and this is where you can actually click on the favicon image that you want to set. Now, some things about favicon that I highly recommend is that you make sure it is a 36 by 36 up to a 60 by 60 pixel. So you don't want anything bigger than that. It needs to be a very small image. And you want to make sure that it is a PNG image. And what that means is there's no white background behind my logo. It's just the logo itself. Same up here, if you can see, there's no background behind this logo. And then this, because it's a circular icon, it is a solid image, but there's no square background behind it. So it's still just the logo. So make sure that your favicon is a PNG file with absolutely no type of background. You want to make sure it's transparent. It needs to be 36 by 36 or up to 60 by 60 pixels. And then you can come right over here, click, make sure you upload it to the Show It website. And when it pops up here, you can click on it and add it. And it's that simple. If you have any questions regarding this, definitely head over to the Facebook support group and ask for help. I'll be more than happy to assist. Or you can email me at hello@bwpdesignstudio.com.